Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure power and pairing won't interrupt the reset. Charge the case and earbuds until you have at least some battery. Once done, remove both earbuds and place them out of the case so they won't auto-connect. Next, on your phone or computer, turn Bluetooth off or forget the Jabra device to prevent reconnection. This avoids partial resets. Now put both earbuds back into the charged case and keep the lid open. This sets up the first actionable hardware step. You'll now execute the core reset procedure, which varies slightly by model but follows the same principle. Press and hold the earbuds control buttons to clear pairing data. For most Jabra True wireless models, press and hold both buttons for 10 to 15 seconds until you see alternating LED flashes or hear a distinct tone. For single button variants, perform the quick press sequence, then a long hold. Once you observe the reset indicator, release. The earbuds are erased. You finish by repairing and confirming everything works. Close the case for 5 seconds, then reopen. Enable Bluetooth on your device and pair the earbuds as a new unit. Select the device name shown. If pairing fails, don't panic. Repeat the factory reset, fully power cycle your phone, and try again. If problems persist, make sure the firmware is up to date via the Jabra Sound Plus app. If that still doesn't solve it, contacting Jabra support is the next reliable step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.